Welcome to another exciting episode of the Nation Pod Talk. Today, we are thrilled to have a very special guest with us, Trishita Chaudhary, the reigning VEC Queen of India 2024. Hailing from the beautiful state of Tripura, Trishita has not only conquered the world of beauty pageants, but has also inspired many with her confidence, elegance, and dedication. Her journey to the crown is a testament to hard work, perseverance, and the belief that dreams do come true. In this episode, we'll dive deep into her experiences in the pageant industry, the challenges she faced, her inspirations, and what winning this prestigious title means to her. Hosted this podcast is our incredible host, Suresh Rajan Iyer.
Hi viewers, this is Suresh Rajan Iyer from C Nation Art Pod Talk. As usual, we bring on a lot of celebrity people from different walks of life, like sports, and boxing, and cricket, and football, and rugby, and whatnot. Even the singer, even the artist, in various fields of life. This time we are lucky to have with us, it's a proud moment for all of us, entire nation also, the Queen, VEC Queen of India 2024, Trishita Chaudhary with us. Welcome, आइए Queen of India, आपका स्वागत है. नमस्कार.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.
So nice. तो हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों चलेगा आपको कि आप इंग्लिश में?
बिल्कुल
चलेगा. बहुत बढ़िया.
बिल्कुल. If you allow me, I'll put on some Bengali in between.
Wow.
Because I'm a Bengali.
Yeah. কেমন আছেন? ভালো?
ভালো. আপনি কেমন?
Right. So ये बताइए कि ये जो पेजेंट या मिस इंडिया या मिस क्वीन बनने की ये जो इंस्टिंक्ट या कहिए कि इसके अंदर जो जर्म आपको कहाँ से मिली और कैसे इसकी प्रेरणा मिली?
एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो मैं एक्चुअली बचपन से मैं एक कथक डांसर हूँ. मैं प्रोफेशनली हैव फिनिश्ड माय कथक प्रोफेशनल. तो उसकी वजह से हैव ऑलवेज बीन ऑन स्टेज बचपन से. कभी आई एम ऑल्सो अ स्पीकर, आई एम अ राइटर. सो ये सारे हॉबीज मुझे बार बार स्टेज की तरफ खींचती है मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा. कि आई don't let go of any opportunity that makes me go on the stage, because I always say that maybe I was born in Agartala, I was brought up by my parents, but my second home is also the stage. So उसके आसपास जो जितने भी opportunities मिलते हैं, मैं चाहती हूँ बार बार कि कुछ explore करूँ, मैं देखूँ. So वो जो attention, वो जो moment होता है मेरे लिए स्टेज पे होना, चाहे मैं जीतूँ, मैं पार्टिसिपेंट हूँ, जो भी हूँ, वो मेरे लिए बहुत एक्सिलरेटिंग होता है. एंड हियर कम्स माई मोम, मेरी मम्मी जो मेरे लिए लाइफ मतलब बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करती है. एंड आई नो फॉर मोस्ट वुमेन एंड मेन आउट देयर, इट्स द मदर हु एक्चुअली पुशेस यू थ्रू. While the dad supports you, the mother is the inspiration. And for me, my mom is a role model. So I remember a moment मैं actually देहरादून travel कर रही थी. And I was looking through some of the Miss India and everything. I used to catch up with all the pageants and everything, modeling and all. But कभी इतना सोचा नहीं है कि education छोड़ के इन सारी चीज़ों को भी मैं explore कर सकती हूँ. And I remember a moment मैं ऐसे बस में बैठी हुई हूँ and I was going through some social media post, and then suddenly a thought came into me कि why can't I do it? What is stopping me from exploring this? What exactly? I want to know what goes behind that. So I quickly called my mom. मैंने मम्मी से बात करी and the first thing she said was like, go for it. If you think you can, why don't you see and do it? And I was like, yes, why not? And I submitted the application, and that's how VEC, contacted me that, we would like to take your audition, and so far the journey started. So that was like out of nowhere, दिमाग में हमेशा से था. But then also suddenly it was a ray of hope on a random journey to Dehradun from Delhi. I was like, let's go for it. So that's what happened there.
Fantastic. Self-inspired and self-motivated personality.
Yes, you can say that.
Backing from the 100% support from the mother.
Yeah.
That actually, maybe because of that only you are being crowned. Mother.
Yes. I hope I give all of it to my mother. Like mother she's there, the day one.
Fantastic.
Definitely.
Now tell me something about yourself. आप क्या medical field में हैं? क्या कर रही हैं?
जी नहीं, मैं MBA कर रही हूँ अभी. So I am currently pursuing my MBA from New Delhi Institute of Management with a specialization in marketing and digital marketing. Digital marketing का era है, and I have had completed my bachelor's on digital marketing. I have worked with firms. तो फिर I wanted to explore that on my academic field. I am also an active member of Period Society, and I cover states like Agartala and the Delhi NCR, that is Haryana, Delhi, and UP. So I am working tirelessly for women health and well-being, especially through the sanitary pads and everything. So I'm part of that community as well. As I told, I'm a Kathak professional dancer and I love reading. I'm a writer. I do not write anything serious. I just write whatever comes in front of me. And I particularly, which has been a vision for me in BEC Queen of India, that is I like to find the stories of strong, independent women. I just feel like, every woman out there is also an inspiration for me. जहाँ भी मेरे को एक छोटी सी कहानी मिलती है कि यहाँ से मुझे एक इंस्पिरेशन मिल सकता है, मैं वही कहानी को एक अपने लिए इसको कैसे भी करके I try to put that thing in my life, make most out of it. So I love writing stories, knowing more about women and how they've through generations, how they have sailed through it, make something of their own. And of course, वो start हुआ है मेरे मम्मी से, and so by so I also have a younger sister. And she's 7 years younger. She's the new generation, the next generation, I would say, and still she's also an inspiration every day to me.
Correct.
So that's what I'm doing. I also love traveling. I love कहीं भी ले जाओ पहाड़ों पे, beach पे, and for BEC Queen of India I was in Goa and the experience was absolutely stunning. हमें ज़्यादा time नहीं मिला है कि हम beach पे जाके, but the little bit of yoga and jazz session that we had in the beach, it was refreshing. So this is a little something about me. Yeah.
Fantastic. Sweet little talking chubby girl transformed into a Queen of India. So that's
yes. Yes.
So tell me something about the process which you went through.
Okay. Yeah.
During the 3-day event in Goa or before that, what was the selection process, qualification process? उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा.
Definitely. So actually the process started with me actually going to the website and actually applying for the application. So for that application you have to submit a few things, that is your profile photos. It not necessarily, the best thing about BEC Queen of India is that it do not only look for models, it look for somebody with passion. So even if you have photographs where you look nice and everything, so you have to submit the photos based on the angles and a ramp walk video and a few question answer like why do you want to do it, what's the purpose, what's your vision. So I actually submitted them and then I completely forgot about it. For 15 days I was it was just like a blind throw. I was let's see, let me explore. So actually I was in class, I remember MBA take a lot of time, it's also a corporate training I go through. So I was getting a random call number from somebody and I was I'll get back. So when I finally got the time, I remember I spoke to, she's a very good manager, I would say, and her name is Komal, and I deeply want to mention her because right now she's no longer working with BEC, and she's an absolute delight person that I want to meet. So Komal contacted me that, we have shortlisted your application and we want to go ahead with the audition.
Right.
So can you do it tomorrow or maybe in the coming Monday around this to this time? So I remember, here's a little story that I wanted to share. So what happens, the audition was put, it was an online audition with the 3 of the mentors from BEC, the visionary, the women behind BEC. And it was from 12 o'clock in the afternoon, in the noon time around. And at that time I had my classes. So I had to do a kind of a dwelling situation here. So I was fine, I'll miss one class. It's for 1 hour. I'll give my audition and I'll rush back to the college. So now apparently my living situation here right now is I'm in a hostel. So they're there are different rooms and people are coming out of the room and everything. So I do not have so much of space for the ramp walk and everything. So I had to do it out in the corridor. So I set up the table and laptop and placed it in a way. I got dressed. So what I did was I wrote in the cheap paper that, I have a meeting, very important meeting for 15-20 minutes and slid it under everybody's door. Please do not come out for this amount of time.
Okay.
Because if anybody comes, they will disrupt my walk.
Correct.
Yeah. So throughout the alley that I was using, freezing, I actually slid because people were in the washroom, they were not opening the door, so I was like sliding them the notes. And everybody was asking me like, why did you do it? I was like, it's an important meeting, I'll tell you later. Then I gave the audition. They asked me various questions about like, the vision and everything. They wanted to know me. It was nothing about GK or anything. It was like, who are you?
Right.
So I think I did well. And then they were
Definitely.
also, I could see it. I could see it on their face. They were very pleased with it. I was like, fingers crossed, let's go for it. And then after I finished my audition, I think it took me 2-3 days before I got a call that I'm selected as one of the finalists.
Wow.
And that I was coming to Goa for the finale, and I was already losing my head. I was calling my mom, I was calling my father, and I was like, this is happening. So what do you want? Should I go with it? Like, a lot of things were happening, like complete crackers going around my head. Like, this is first time, I have no experience,
Right.
and I'm a finalist. So the thing that happened was like we had sessions before the 3-day event in Goa.
Right.
So they covered most of it, like the online sessions for different aspects. Ramp work was supposed to be done on that during the practice sessions for the 3-day event. So before that, like the diet, the plan, the makeup, the way to talk and how to answer questions, everything was like they kind of put it together in different sessions according to the time where everybody was available, because we have both category, Miss and Mrs. So we found some time, like maybe it was also late at 10 o'clock, but we're still sitting together and talking and learning those things. So we already got to know most of the participants through those sessions. So we got very comfortable, and it was like non-filtered. We could ask anything to Muskan ma'am, the founder and the CEO of VEC. So we could ask her like, ma'am, we are having doubt there and there. Even when we were shopping for all the lists they have provided that you would be needing all of this, the women were actually discussing like, where to find, I'm stuck here, can you help? So it was a very friendly environment.
Right.
And after 1.5 months, after I got to know that I'm coming to Goa, we reached Goa. We were staying in Doubletree by Hilton. They have booked everything absolutely, like, a ravishing management that they have. And we landed there. We already know people by their posts, by the sessions. We were catching up. There were no age difference. There were 50 plus women, there were 20 plus, for the Miss category, and everybody was like, we are just friends. We are going to stay and have fun together as we compete. And throughout the 3-day session, we had Sham Khan, who is a very well-renowned choreographer for the walk and everything from Miss India, Miss Universe, and everything. He was there. So he made us practice till like 1-2 o'clock in the night. We remember it was very like it was hectic, but you can't complain because you love doing it. That is a gray area that we found. We were like, the day we arrived, we had our orientation, we got our mementos for being a finalist. We started practicing about like giving an introduction. We had Ankit Nagpal sir was covering our media and aspects, so he was giving us session on how to speak and everything. Then we have our photo shoot. We are running and coming, dressing back and everything. And from 10 o'clock after dinner, we are starting our ramp walk practice.
Right.
Okay, so because everybody doesn't have the experience, we're like till 1 o'clock our feet, it's hurting. Like any moment anybody can collapse, but we're still like, no, we have to do it. Let's do it. And for the next 3 days, somehow haste, khelte, matlab gungunate, rote, matlab we were like having a blast. And 3 days later, for the grand finale, everybody was refined. Like किसी को कोई देख के बोल ही नहीं सकता कि यार वो आए, मतलब that person has never been on the stage. But nahi, the women, the girls, the ladies, everybody was gracious. We had Chitrangada ma'am, a Bollywood actress, on our grand finale, and she loved our presence and we loved her presence. So that was like overall journey.
That's right. Fantastic. Very nicely, put up in a very sweet, short speech. this
Yeah.
you're a good
I
speaker.
speak a lot, so it's like, my space. I love to speak.
Correct. This proved that you're a good speaker, orator. You have a lot of qualities of
Thank
a
you.
very good speaker in the future times. You can pursue.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now tell me one thing, when you are studying
Yeah.
as an MBA, I chance to pick up this chance when I go there and compete in this competition. So what was the study?
Yeah.
Active or it was continuing with you? And what was your parents telling you? Or any college?
So at that
college people
So
also
I
help
told
you?
मैंने एक्चुअली पहले किसी को इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया था कि मैं इन सब के लिए जा रही हूँ. मतलब माय कॉलेज एंड माय फ्रेंड्स, द क्लोज फ्रेंड्स, दे न्यू. एंड वहाँ पे एक फाइनलिस्ट का एक पोस्ट जाने वाला था. सो आई वाज वेटिंग टू अनाउंस द वर्ल्ड दैट आई एम अ फाइनलिस्ट. क्योंकि मैं एकदम से, आई एम नॉट द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु एकदम से कॉल करके सबको बताना होता है एंड ऑल लाइक दैट, बिकॉज then I go back to the zone of this nazar lag jana and all like that. I take it very seriously. So I'm like, you know, let me savor my moment, let me build it up. जब जीत के आऊंगी, because my mindset is I am a winner. I don't see second, third prize, and whoever is getting it, I'm very proud. They are my girls, my queens, my fellow queens. But you know, my target was that one crown. That's it. I was not looking here and there. So at that moment when I was preparing, मैंने college को बताया नहीं. So I was going to my daily classes. ये एक चीज़ कन्वेड है, VEC को पता है कि आई एम अ स्टूडेंट. सो टाइमिंग्स वगैरह वैसे सेशंस वगैरह जो भी रखा गया था, इट वाज अकॉर्डिंग टू माय अवेलेबिलिटी एज वेल. जो सब जब अवेलेबल है तभी मीटिंग्स हैं. Other than that, my parents, they were like, you know, you are going for it. They were actually concerned with more of like a safety. Like, you know, we are not be able to be like, you know, we can't fly with you, so you need to be very cautious. You will meet so many people. So they're concerned, but they knew that, you know, kahin na kahin I'll balance it out, because it's like my niche. I love balancing. Like, I stay busy all day. I'm waking up, I'm finishing my assignments, I'm going to college, I'm attending all the class. There are several things that happens in MBA colleges, like extracurriculars and these seminars and everything. Then I'm coming back and I have amazing set of friends here, my roommate and my other friends who knew about it. So they were like, you know, get up, you can't lazy around, like have your diet, you can't, you know, do all of these things, have your diet, no, you can't eat this, you can't eat that. Then you have to, they used to make me walk and practice, like you're doing this wrong, turn, smile, and this. So I had everybody's support going on. That kind of, whenever I felt like, you know, I can't do it anymore, maybe, or I'm not going to be good at this, there were people backing up. My parents are far back home, like called Agartala, Delhi is far away. I see them once in 6 months. So they were like giving me a call. Yeah, almost like once in 6 months I see them. My mom is calling, she's making sure that I'm eating right, I am not falling, like, you know, behind on my studies and everything. It was tough, but I think prioritizing and planning was the best thing that I did. And of course the love and support, I am overwhelmed with it. Like, I don't know, I'm so grateful to God, like, you know, I have people, such people in my life. So they are the ones that made me come till this point.
Definitely, it's actually, you know, one person is crowned, but getting the crown on my or your head, you require a lot of team.
Team effort.
Team effort.
Yeah.
Now, there is one thing I have noticed, that, you know, all of you 3P girls are from North only, Haryana, Delhi, and Tripura, I think.
Yeah. Yes.
Your name starts from PPT, right? Second runner-up is some P, Haryana. What's her name?
Yeah. Her name is Prarthana. She was the second runner-up. She was
from the first runner-up is, she is also starting with P.
Yeah. And as first runner-up, she is from Dehradun. She lives a very versatile life from Bangalore and Dehradun. She is from.
Correct. And then you are starting with T, Trishita. You know, what do you mean by Trishita?
Yeah. Trishita, and then Agartala, Delhi. So I'm.
Trishita का मतलब क्या है?
It means thirsty for knowledge.
Correct. Abhilashi.
Yes.
Ambitious.
Somebody who is very thirsty and curious. Yeah.
Correct. So nice. Now the process of 3 days. Before 3 days हमने बता दिया, 3 days का भी थोड़ा सा बता दी. Final moment. Final day के अंदर आपका what was your, you know, it was going in your mind. Final you are in the top 5. टॉप 5 होने के बाद जो एक मन में धड़कन रहती है ना, उसके बारे में पूरा प्रोसेस कैसा बताइए?
तो एक्चुअली मतलब ग्राफ ना ऐसे था, इट वाज हियर बीच में फॉर अ सेकंड, मे बी इट वाज जस्ट अ लिटिल रॉकी डे फॉर मी. आई थिंक मेरा थोड़ा सा ग्राफ ऐसे नीचे आया था. आई वाज लाइक लिटिल ओवरवेल्म्ड, आई वुड से बहुत ज्यादा. फिर एकदम से ग्राफ ऊपर की तरफ गया. So when I started the 3 day, when I landed there, the graph was up. I was doing well. I was meeting everybody, photo shoot, सब कुछ हर चीज में you have to be the best. So
Correct.
सब कुछ एक दिन टक 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 करके हो रहा है. Like there is no time for you to even relax. We get 15 minutes window to go change and get our makeup done and everything. So धीरे धीरे when people like started showing their best also, like I was awestruck कि भाई women are so beautiful. Like thank you God for making women, because they are so beautiful out there. Like I am not against men, but I say no man can do what women can.
Right.
No man. So I was like, yeah, I mean, like, there is a 56-year-old lady, Rachna Mohan. She's a very good influencer, and she has been a top finalist in the VEC. I was like, you're 56, ma'am, and you're wonderful. I want to be you when I'm 56. So वो होता है ना, धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया था. बीच में ऐसा लग रहा था कि there are so much of potential. Will I be able to go for that crown that I was dreaming of? ठीक है, तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं मेरे परफॉर्मेंस लैग हुए हैं ऐसा कुछ. एक हल्का सा मोमेंट ऑफ आ जाता है सेल्फ डाउट कि I need somebody. Like people had their family. I was only traveling alone. No, ना किसी को जानती हूँ. No, not like anybody, family or friends there. So I was like constantly on the call with my mom, informing her everything, my friends, and they were backing up and they were like, take a deep breath, go for it, do your best. It's not about the crown or something, it's about you feeling your best self.
Correct.
और फिर एकदम से I think when I was like, it was very exhausting as well. जब अगले दिन grand finale वाले दिन when I woke up and I went to the beach for the yoga session. So we got our time for like 15-20 minutes to just sit there and absorb all of it, get your pictures clicked. So सब भाग रहे थे, pictures वगैरह click करा रहे थे. I got some pictures clicked with everybody. मैं एक कोने में जाके ना शांति से I was facing the sea and I was sitting there. I think आँख बंद करके नहीं, but it was my kind of meditation. और ऐसा लग रहा था मेरे अंदर जितने सेल्फ डाउट्स थे, जो भी था वो ऐसा ना मैंने समुंदर को बोल दिया कि you take my all my problems and everything with your wave and give me the fresh air so that I can re-energize. 15-20 मिनट वहाँ बैठ के I just thanked everybody from God to family, friends कि I am doing this. Let's give it. Let's do it. And at that very moment, I remember we had one of the jury member to come up to me, and he just saw me sitting there. So he struck up a conversation, and just उसके एक दिन पहले we had a talent round. So I performed. I'm a dancer, so I danced, and he came up to me and he said कि you were wonderful last night. हम सब ने तुम्हें भर भर के marks दिए. And I was like, thank you, I needed that. जब मैं इतना सब कुछ ओवरवेल्म हो रही थी, ये मुझे एक पुश जरूरी था. मे बी वो इट वॉज गॉड. जब मैं वहां बैठ रही थी ना, एकदम से सर आके मुझे बोल के गए एंड ही जस्ट लेफ्ट, एंड मेरे अंदर वो सब कॉन्फिडेंस वापस आ गया. एंड देन आई वाज ऑन द ग्रैंड फिनाले स्टेज. मेरे सामने मेरे मेंटर्स बैठे हुए हैं, चित्रांगदा मैम बैठी हुई है, एंड ऑल आई सॉ वाज लाइक them, and उस हमारे बीच में बस और कुछ नहीं है, बस मेरा रैम्प है, मेरे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड द बेस्ट स्माइल दैट आई कैन पुट ऑन. आई वाज लाइक ही कर रही हूं सारे फोटोज में. मैं लाइक ऑल माय टीथ आर लाइक शोइंग ही करके. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर,
वेरी बिग,
एंड आई यूज्ड टू इट.
आपकी स्माइल अच्छी है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
और बहुत बिग स्माइल है, वेरी स्वीट स्माइल आल्सो. चार्म क्या है वो रनवे का,
क्वीन ऑफ चार्म.
व्हाट वाज द रनवे? वो रनवे मैंने कहीं देखा हो, क्या है?
So, हाँ, वो एक्चुअली जो स्पेस होता है ना स्टेज में, हमें एंट्री करके वी हैव टू लाइक सबका इंडिविजुअल एंड ग्रुप वॉक होता है. लाइक यू हैव टू शो हाउ यू वॉक, एंड दैट वॉक इज अबाउट ग्रेस. इट्स अबाउट मेकिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट्स विद द पीपल, जैसे मॉडल्स चलते हैं. सो मेरा वहाँ पे टैग नंबर फर्स्ट था. लाइक दे वर ऑल द मतलब सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स में मुझे फर्स्ट टैग नंबर मिला था. एंड श्याम सर एक्चुअली वाज रैंकिंग बेस्ड ऑन द वॉक, कि जिनका जैसे वॉक है ना, क्योंकि उनको कोरियोग्राफी करना है. सो मेरा टैग नंबर 1 था, एंड आई हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ द कोरियोग्राफी, क्योंकि मुझे लोग फॉलो करेंगे. इफ आई फॉरगेट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, देन पीपल आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली मेस इट अप. So I was the tag number 1. So actually I walked the ramp and everything, and I was crowned the subtitle as Queen of Runway, the best walk, and Queen of Charm. I'm like, hopefully I am charmful. सबको मैंने एकदम charm कर दिया. मैं
आपका जो अपीयरेंस है, स्माइलिंग है, तो चार्म तो दिन दूनी दो क्या होता है ना, 4 चांद लगा देता है.
4 चांद लगा दिया
है ना. ये जो फाइनलिस्ट थे, एज यूजुअल आपने कहा कि आपको टैग नंबर 1 दिया गया बिकॉज ऑफ आपको जीतना के लिए शायद दिया गया.
मतलब एक मोमेंट आया था, हम जब कोरियोग्राफी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, सो लाइक थोड़ी थोड़ी बातें होने लग जाती, तुम्हें आइडिया लग जाता है कि कौन कितना अच्छा कर रहा है, कितना नहीं, कहाँ कुछ हो. सो आई एम लाइक आई बिलीव इन सिस्टरहुड, मेरी मतलब आई लाइक वीमेन, कम टुगेदर, लेट्स स्टे टुगेदर, स्टिक टुगेदर. सो होती है लड़कियों में ये चीज, बैक ऑफ द माइंड आ जाती है कहीं ना कहीं. दे शी इज गुड, शी इज बेटर एंड एवरीथिंग. तो धीरे धीरे करके लोगों से मुझे सुनने को आ रहा है कि यार त्रिशिता, यू आर डूइंग सो वेल एंड एवरीथिंग, आई एम तो नॉट दैट गुड, आई एम तो नॉट डूइंग दिस गुड. सो स्पिरिट्स लिफ्ट अप कर रही थी मैं उनके साथ. और एक मोमेंट आया था जब हम कोरियोग्राफी करते करते श्याम सर ने जस्ट फॉर ट्रायल बोला था कि जब सेकंड रनर अप, फर्स्ट रनर अप और विनर को अनाउंस किया जाएगा तो उनकी प्लेसमेंट स्टेज में कैसे होने वाला है. तो सर वाज टेलिंग अस दिस मोमेंट. तो सर ने रैंडमली ऐसे नंबर चूज कर रहे थे कि सबको देखने के लिए बोल रहे कि यार ऐसे फर्स्ट रनर अप शी विल स्टैंड, सेकंड एंड द फ्रंट में विनर विल स्टैंड. और जब मिस कैटेगरी का विनर का रैंडम नंबर भी सर ने मेरा ही लिया है कि आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन द विनर पोजीशन. और ये मतलब 2-4 घंटे पहले की बात है, बिफोर द ग्रैंड फिनाले. So I could hear people hush and everything when he randomly picked me up कि आप विनर की जगह आके खड़े हो जाओ and you have to stand like that.
Okay.
And I think मैंने मोमेंट वहीं जी लिया था एक बार जब मैं फाइनल वॉक कर रही थी, when sir told to everybody to practice. फिर जब मुझे एक्चुअल वो मोमेंट मिला and I was like, yes, this is it, this is what I was working so hard for.
Sky was so short at that time.
Yeah.
So tell me, when you got the title of Queen of India 24, आपने फोन किया अपने पेरेंट्स को, तो उनकी क्या रिएक्शन थी?
मुझे याद है कि हाँ, तो मैंने सबसे पहले अपने मम्मी को कॉल लगाया एज यूजुअल. सो क्या हुआ कि वहाँ पे विनर मिस कैटेगरी के बाद मिसेस कैटेगरी अनाउंस हुई है, मतलब वन फ्रॉम मिस देन वन फ्रॉम मिसेस, ऐसे करके. हाँ, तो उस मेरे विनर के अनाउंस के बाद सिर्फ मिसेस का विनर बचा हुआ था बिकॉज एवरीवन एल्स वर अनाउंस्ड. So I was like standing there and I was like जब मेरी crowning हो गई है, so what I had was like I was wearing 3 crowns. सब titles को एक मिला है and even my first runner she got 2 crowns. तो her head like ऐसा ना place हुआ है इसको, but मेरे जो और 2 crowns हैं it was stuck. जिस वजह से and I had 4 sashes here. एक original finalist वाला, 2 जो मुझे मिला है and the winner वाला.
Correct.
So everything was going here and there. So Muskan ma'am and Chitrangada ma'am, they were like taking care of it. Ki you have to have a final walk and everything. My mind was not working because I just needed my phone for 1 second to call my mom. ये सब हाँ, जैसे ही walk खत्म हो रहे, photos के लिए आ रहे, everybody is getting we want, the media is waiting, everybody is waiting. सब देख रही हूँ मैं, सबको push कर रही हूँ कि yes go ahead, get your pictures clicked and everything. And पीछे से I had Komal, she was holding my phone. मैं दे के गई थी स्टेज पे कि if I need it and I was like just give me 2 minutes, like I just fix the crown and come back. मैं गई, I told my makeup artist to fix my hair and the crown so that I can get my pictures clicked. मैंने इतने में मेरे मम्मी को कॉल किया साइड से and I see my mom sitting like this in front of the video call कि बस वीडियो कॉल उठाए, she's already praying in the moment of prayer. And I told, I couldn't even talk because if I talk, people will see me on the video call, they will call me back. So I just held my crown, I just took the phone, I was standing there and she looked at me for 2 seconds and she asked me with her eyes like, are you a winner? I was like, I am the winner. And my mom started jumping, my sister is jumping, and I'm like, I will get back to you, I have to go, I just wanted to inform you. And then I just cut the call and I ran off to the stage.
Fantastic.
So this was my moment. उसके बाद मैंने पापा को, मेरे मतलब families and my friends, they were also waiting for the moment. तो सबसे पहले मम्मी का, और ये जो sweet moment है ना, I think ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात है कि my mom is there already holding her hands and praying to God.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now when you started to तो स्टेज की क्वीन हो ही, तो आपका कोई रोल मॉडल था क्या? रोल मॉडल है एक, मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना है, because you have a multifaceted personality.
Yeah.
आप कुछ कर सकती हैं, तो आपके लिए कोई रोल मॉडल था क्या या है?
Actually, surprisingly ये मेरा winning question है VC Queen of India के लिए.
Fantastic.
यही question. Exactly.
हाँ.
कि who is your inspiration in your life?
Yeah.
And कुछ साल पहले मतलब बहुत सालों तक मैंने हमेशा यही बोला है कि मेरी मम्मी मेरे लिए, मतलब जब भी ये क्वेश्चन मेरे लाइफ में जब आया है, बहुत बार आया है, like for I don't know why, because I think it's kind of a self realization also. But मैंने हमेशा बोला है कि मम्मी को मैंने देखा है, my mom, like you know, she's me, like you know, she's the best version of me, I think, because she loves traveling and she likes, like you know, posting, dancing. Nothing stops her. She's very, like you know, out there, kind of, like you know, well spoken, bold and everything. She manages and balances family, work and everything. So I think the first thing that will always come to my mind as an inspiration will be her. Like you know, she's the somebody I look up to. But with time I realized, मैं सोचती थी लोगों के बहुत सारे questions देखती थी, कोई मम्मी, family, husband, you know, spouse or friend, somebody or maybe a celebrity or something, and I realized कि मैं भी सोचती थी, like you know, who is my role model if not my mom. So जब ये question मेरे stage पे मुझे पूछा गया था, I was, of course, I did not know what are the kind of questions हमें पूछे जाएंगे. We were just prepared how to speak on the stage.
Yeah.
So at that very moment it just hit me कि like you know, it's never going to be just one person for me. मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ये बोला था कि I find stories of strong independent women. So मेरे लिए वो हर एक औरत जो बाहर, जिनके अंदर courage है, dreams है, strong independent है, जिनके अंदर वो perseverance और resilience है ना, मैं उनको देख के वैसे इंस्पायर हो जाती हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप बस मेरे सामने बैठो और अपनी बातें बताओ, मैं सुनूंगी और वहां से जो बेस्ट चीज लगती है ना, वही उठा के मैं अपने लिए रखूंगी. So that's what I answered. It starts with my family. Of course, my sister, my grandmothers and everybody. And also it's also very, like you know, the women out there. चाहे वो कैसी भी घर से हो, कहाँ से भी हो, उनकी अगर छोटी छोटी होता है ना, because women are wonderful. And since I work for the women in the society, I know कि कितना struggle करना पड़ता है for a woman. It's like a harsh reality. तो मैं उनको inspiration बनाती हूँ. So कोई एक नहीं है.
बहुत बढ़िया.
So कभी एक नहीं हो सकता.
The women is inspiring you. The women.
Yes, women out there is inspiring me every day.
More power to women empowerment also. Now,
yes.
Tell me one thing. We have finished this, winning the title. I think you will be there in the next year also, because you will be crowning the Queen of 25, I believe. You go from your.
Yes.
So in between
yes.
Is there any project or some like you have some purpose after winning? Women empowerment पे आप काम करेंगे या कुछ और आपने सोचा है, something to do with?
Actually मतलब मुझे bigger अभी और pageants के लिए मैं prepare हो रही हूँ. I'm taking the grooming and everything. मुझे next I'm trying to, like you know, go and crack for the Femina Miss India, क्योंकि सपने बहुत बड़े हैं and ये एक platform है जहाँ मुझे वो मिलता है, like you know, the kind of freedom and free, like you know, feeling of exhilaration. So Miss India अभी फिलहाल 2025 के लिए I'm looking forward to that. Projects, there are certain projects that my current VEC they are looking up for me. उनके पास ही सब वो contacts आते हैं. And international pageantry के लिए भी बातें चल रही है, maybe in the next June, July के अंदर. Because उसके बाद मैं शायद अगस्त सितंबर में, if everything goes right, I'll be participating in Femina Miss India. So and सोशल मीडिया का भी सब कुछ है, एवरीथिंग वर्क्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो सोशल मीडिया प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, आ रहे अभी मेरे पास, बिकॉज आफ्टर विनिंग दिस वो मेरे लिए लाइफ चेंजिंग हो गया कि इतना सब कुछ लोग जानने लग गए, बात होती है लाइक माइंडेड पीपल्स, जैसे आपसे बात हो रही है आज, ठीक है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स कम थ्रू टू मी एंड आई एम टेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट एक्चुअली लाइक यू नो बेनिफिटिंग माई विजन एज वेल, जो मेरे सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस भी बढ़ा रहे हैं, एंगेजमेंट बढ़ा रहे हैं. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर हियर ऑन दैट प्लेट. आई एम ट्राइंग टू काइंड ऑफ प्लेस देम एट द राइट होल्डर्स, ताकि मेरी MBA और ये भी बैलेंस हो जाए. सो या एज ऑफ राइट नाउ ये तो प्लान है मेरा, देखते हैं अभी आगे.
Any plans of getting Bollywood offers?
Any day. If Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Karan Johar, anybody comes through and say like, you know, we want you as a heroine, I'm like there, of course.
Yes.
But have like any day. I love drama.
Fantastic.
Bingo, Bengali, it's drama. It's like in the family.
Right. You have any other passion apart from dancing?
I love reading. I love writing. Reading से reading, writing. It's like कहीं भी कुछ भी दे दो, एक सिंगल थॉट आता है, मैं लिख लेती हूँ. जर्नलिंग एंड इस सब से स्टार्ट किया था मैंने. पोएम लिख लेती हूँ कभी, मतलब बहुत साल हो गए, अभी इतना टाइम नहीं दे पाती हूँ, बट हाँ छोटी छोटी चीजें.
Write in Hindi, English, Bangla?
I can read and speak Hindi very well. Writing इतना वो नहीं है. So it's basically English और Bengali. हाँ, Bengali books मुझे पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है. मुझे इतने मतलब डिटेल में Bengali नहीं मतलब पता मतलब I don't know how to spell and write and all of them very well. But I love reading the Bengali because Bengali culture जो होता है ना, I just can't find a similar, better, not better, but I would say similar, more
Words.
kind of depicting culture मुझे कहीं मिला नहीं है. Even I'm living in Delhi for 4-5 years now, I'm like I love people here and everything. But एक बंगाल में एक बात है, एक hidden एक culture, एक touch है. पता नहीं शायद मैं बंगाली हूँ.
नहीं है.
Like there are the literature is amazing.
Correct.
The literature of Bengal is amazing. So
Fantastic.
yeah.
Now coming back to this, that you are now Queen of India 24. Now there are two questions which I would like you to answer in maybe 2 or 3 sentences. Like, if somebody wants to pick up or take up this as a pageant profession, so what would be your advice to them?
My first advice would be believe in yourself. आजकल everybody is like insecurity से भरे हुए हैं. So I suggest कि first thing is like fight that demon and fall in love with yourself. It's not about modeling. It's not about being on the stage or anything. Anything that you do, even if you go to a 9 to 5 job, if you don't love yourself, you'll not be able to give your best self to others.
Okay.
And वही चीज लोग पकड़ लेते हैं, वही चीज को तुम्हें वैसे ही ट्रीट किया जाता है. So I think believe in yourself. ठीक है, कोई और तुम्हें रेस्क्यू करने के लिए इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है. If your parents and everybody will support you, but you are your own rescue. Like you have to believe in yourself. So I give this advice: if you believe in yourself, the world is yours.
Fantastic.
There is nothing
बहुत
that
बढ़िया
can
बात
stop
कही
you.
आपने इतनी छोटी सी इसमें भी. You are yourself very young now, but still,
Yeah.
for the fans, one line in English and one line in Bangla Bhasha.
Okay. So first of all, to my fans, I say thank you so much for believing in me, showing so much of love. Trust me, I'm still overwhelmed. I'm still processing it every day. Every time somebody calls me VEC Queen of India for the Miss category, I'm like, I can't believe it. I think it's me. I have won the world. So thank you so much for that. And in Bengali, আমি বলবো যে নিজের উপর খুব বিশ্বাস রাখো. আমাকে ভালোবাসা দেওয়ার জন্য অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ. আরো যাতে স্বপ্ন, বড় বড় স্বপ্ন দেখতে পারি, ওইগুলোকে যাতে আমি জিতে আসতে পারি, সেটার জন্য সাপোর্ট করো, প্রচুর ভালোবাসা দাও. অ্যান্ড আমাকে তোমরা সবাই মিলে সাহস দাও যাতে আমি যা যা নিজের লাইফে ড্রিম দেখছি, যা যা স্বপ্ন আছে, সবগুলো যাতে আমি পূরণ করতে পারি. তো ধন্যবাদ.
Thank you. On my personal behalf and on our channel behalf, I'm wishing you all the best in your life. May you bring a lot of names and laurels to country, your family, yourself in the future times to come. Thanks for your time. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar, sir. Quickly, I will take a photo for the social media. So
That
if
will
you
be
just
sent to
give
you,
a,
don't worry. That will be sent to you.
I'll make a video of my own if you do not mind.
Sure.
And give me your best smile. Please do give me your best self for 2 seconds.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, and wish you all the best in your life.
Thank you.
A lot of laurels you bring for the country and yourself. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yes. See you, sir. See you. Take care.
Definitely.